Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use your VTOMAN jump starter. First, confirm your jump starter has sufficient charge, ideally above 75%. Safety is paramount, so please wear eye protection and gloves. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and it's in park before you begin. Following these initial steps carefully will ensure a safe and effective jump start every time. Next, let's connect the clamps correctly. Take the red positive clamp and firmly attach it to the positive terminal on your car battery. Then, connect the black negative clamp to the negative terminal. If your vehicle manual recommends, you might attach the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block instead. Always double-check that both connections are secure and making good contact. With the clamps securely in place, it is time to start your engine. Turn on your VTOMAN jump starter and ensure it is in the correct operating mode. Now, try to start your car normally for about 3 to 5 seconds. If it doesn't start, wait for at least 30 seconds to allow the jump starter to cool before attempting another try. You should not attempt more than 3 consecutive jump starts. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, carefully disconnect the clamps in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp, then detach the red positive clamp. Let your car's engine run for about 20 minutes to help recharge its own battery. Crucially, always remember to fully recharge your VTOMAN jump starter after each use, ensuring it is ready for any future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.